guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I have something new to share with you guys today. This is a brand that or a subscription box, I should say, that I used to subscribe to before I was here on YouTube, maybe right at the start of when I started my YouTube channel, which was a few years ago. And I am talking about FabFitFun. They reached out to me and they wanted to know if they could send me their spring 2024 box. And I said, sure, absolutely. But they didn't just stop there. They also gave me a couple codes for you guys to use in case you want to sign up like me, sign up again, or maybe you're going to be a first-time subscriber. My code Steff will give you 20% off your seasonal box. So meaning if you just wanted to get like this spring box, or later on you want to get the summer box, my affiliate code Steff will give you 20% off. So it comes out to about $47, $48. Now, if you want to sign up for the annual membership, which would be 4 boxes, my code Steff Gift will also help to give you a discount there. Now, these are customizable boxes and they usually have a retail value of up to $350. I know this particular spring box has a value of almost $350. So they allowed me to choose the things that I wanted. And with FabFitFun, you can choose from skincare to makeup, fashion, stuff for the home. They have all kinds of things. And I've honestly got some really good products a while back when I was a member. I know I got a travel blow dryer that I still use to this day. And then there were some brands that I had never heard of and I discovered and I still use them to this day. So there's a lot of cool things, a lot of cool features. The only reason I had stopped a while back is just because I was starting my channel and I was buying a lot of makeup, so it was just too much product for me. But if you're one that's maybe trying to scale back, but you still want to have a little bit of newness come into your stash now and then, this might be a nice box, a nice subscription box to consider. If it is your first time here on my channel, I just want to say hello and welcome to all of you. My name is Steff, and clearly I love makeup. I love trying out new makeup. I am primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, all that good stuff. If that sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of FabFitFun, or maybe you're new again the way I am, please give this video a big thumbs up before you go. I will have all of the links and information in case any of you are wanting to sign up. It will be in the description box, so be sure to check that out. And without final ado, let's dive into the spring 2024 FabFitFun box. If you guys want to see what I chose, keep on watching. Okay guys, so we are unboxing this together. All I've done was break the little seal there and I haven't opened this. It's been waiting for me to have time to sit down and film this video. I was supposed to film this last weekend and then I just couldn't. I had some stuff I had to do for work, but I have time today and I'm so excited because I honestly don't remember what I chose. So they package it very well. This box comes inside of another box and then there's all kinds of paper that you can recycle inside this immediate box. Okay, what is this? This right here, I don't remember what this is. Oh, I think I got something for the house. Okay, so again, you can choose all kinds of different products that they have on there. I want to say, can you earn points on there and then use them as like add-ons to a box. I'm not entirely sure, but this is what I got. It's a bowl set. So it contains one salad bowl, one mini canister, and one removable tray. I got this because there is a restaurant, a local restaurant here that I love getting salad from. It's a shrimp and feta salad, but I don't like to eat it out of the styrofoam box that they serve it in because I usually DoorDash it. So that's why I wanted this. And I think I'm going to be taking this to work because unfortunately, I either eat out a lot at work or I make tuna salad, but I like to order stuff. It's just quick and easy for me, and I usually do DoorDash once a day or once every other day. So this for me, this salad bowl is definitely going to come in handy. Stainless steel on the inside. I like it. This is the perfect size. I like the height. I like that it's pink. It's cute. Here's the little insertable tray that you can put like that. Like maybe if you're going to take it to work, you can put your protein up here and then your greens down here. And then of course you have the little lid. So I am definitely going to get some use out of this week actually. And then you have this little canister for your dressing. How cute is that? And everything nests into this one large bowl. Next up is something for the hair. And you might be saying, Steph, did you do something to your hair? Oh, well, I put some extensions. Actually, one extension, and I'm gonna have it linked in the description box. It was $10 and it was on Amazon. And it's one of those that has like the clear band up here, and then it's like a half piece. They call it a halo hair extension. Anyway, I'm surprised that it matched my hair color. I think I did a pretty good job there. So I guess I'm gonna have to keep my hair this color for a while, which I don't mind because I think everything just kind of blends out really well. And for 10 bucks, I was shocked. But going back to what's in this FabFitFun box for spring, one of my favorite hair care brands, Living Proof. And I got this dry shampoo because Lord knows those of us that color our hair, we want to preserve the color for as long as possible because number one, if you go get your hair professionally colored, you know that it costs a pretty penny. I know when I go get my hair bleached, because I will never bleach my own hair, I'm usually there for 3 hours, 3.5 hours, and it does cost quite a bit. So I don't want to be washing my hair every single day the way I used to before I started color treating my hair. I didn't start coloring my hair until I was in my 30s. I waited a long time, but I know some of you all started in high school. I was always afraid to color my hair, but now that I've been doing it, I've been having so much fun with it. And this color that I have on, it's a box dye from Schwarzkopf, and I believe it's the shade 7.5 caramel something or other. But you know, I've washed it a few times already since coloring, but I live off of dry shampoo. So anytime that I can get a dry shampoo, either mini size or full size, I just bought a full size one because again, I forgot that I was going to be getting one in this box, but this is really good. And I've tried Living Proof hair care products before. I have some of them in my stash and I think they work really well. This one says it actually cleans hair, eliminates oil, sweat, and odor. Sign me up for that. So next, what is this? Oh, another hair care product. This is going to come in handy in the summer. I love having like my natural wave and I'm in need of a mousse. I don't have a mousse. I don't even think I have a gel. So I picked this item up from Cloud. This is their Air Light Volumizing Mousse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my hair with some water and then I'm going to apply this to it and then just let it air dry and let my natural wave take place. You guys have seen me with my natural curls, and it's not really curls, it's more of just like a wave, but I always have to use some type of like hairspray and or cream or gel to kind of activate that wave that I have, and that's what I call my beach hair days, and I love going to the beach. This particular product says it's infused with sugarcane extract for natural volume, texture and shine. I cannot wait to try this. I have to wash my hair tomorrow night, so maybe this is something that I'll do for Monday. I don't know, we'll see, but I'm so glad that I got a couple hair care items in here. Always down to try new hair care products. Now we're going to talk about skincare because I got let's see, I think the next three, yeah, the next three are going to be skincare. I didn't get any makeup in here. Who am I without getting makeup? But that's okay. One of my favorite skincare brands, Tula Skincare. This is their 24/7 moisture intense ultra hydrating day and night cream. I used to have, did I used to have this one? I know I used to have, and I finished it up. It was one in a blue jar. I don't quite remember which one it was, but this one says it's good for both day and night. I love Tula. I have their tinted sunscreen and it is so good. It has good coverage as well. That's what the product looks like. There is no scent to it. So it's a really nice, it's a nice skincare brand. You can find Tula over at Ulta. I believe you can also find them on QVC. QVC was where I first came to learn about Tula. And this is it says the Do It All Moisturizer for our most intense hydration yet. I'm a normal to oily skin type. So if I find that this is a little too rich, a little too thick, then I probably will reserve it for just nighttime use. But I love that it's good for both day and night. I think for those of you who have more normal to dry or full on dry, I think this is going to be great any time of day. But for somebody like me with normal to oily, I have a feeling this is going to benefit me more in the evening. So next is a product that I actually just finished up in my stash, and it comes to us from First Aid Beauty. These are their facial radiance pads. These things have been around for quite some time and for good reason. They work really well. You want to use these right after you wash your face. That's the way that I use it. So I use it maybe in place of a toner or an essence, although you could probably use an essence right before you use this. This is infused with glycolic and lactic acids. That's going to help exfoliate your skin, kind of just renew the complexion. It's also going to help like with dark spots and fine lines, aging, all of that stuff. But what it's really going to do is just help exfoliate that top layer so that you have a nice glow whenever like you wake up, if you're using these at night, or a nice glow going on throughout the day. I tend to use these more so at night, but I'm pretty sure, I'm looking to see, it says use once or twice daily after cleansing. Yeah, so I like to use mine more so in the evening, but you do you. If you like these, let me know in the comments if they've worked for you. There's quite a few things that I do like from First Aid Beauty, but this is definitely my favorite product from them. And last but not least is a brand that I have not heard from, but I'm always down to try a new eye cream because I am one of those that is religious, not just with their skincare. Like, I am never going to bed with my makeup on. I do my nighttime and daytime skincare regardless of what's going on. If I'm sick, whatever it is, I am still keeping on my skincare regimen, and night cream is always in the mix. This is from the brand Agua Ara. No, I'm sorry, Earth Harbor, and it's called Agua Ara Reparative Eye Cream. This is formulated with seaweed collagen and blue tansy. Let's open this up. This sounds so fancy. Oh, this is cute. This is what the product looks like. Have an expiration date on it? No, it's just like a product code down there. Ooh, and look at that. Oh, that looks nice. Let's see. There's like an organic scent to it. I gotta try this. I'm gonna take what's on the cap here, and I'm just gonna put it on the back. Oh, that feels so hydrating. And you know what, guys? I have self tanner on, the Bondi Sands. Remember I told you guys in one of my more recent videos, I think I need some self tanner. Well, I bought the self tanner later that day or the following day, and I got the Bondi Sands one. and I like it. I think it worked out pretty good. So yeah, this feels really nice. This is going to be a nice hydrating eye cream. Again, I use eye creams both day and night. I never skip out on my eye cream. I've said this story on my channel a couple times already, but it's worth repeating. In my 30s, I want to say it was my like mid 30s, I stopped using eye cream. I'm like, I'm just going to take my moisturizer up under my eye and that will suffice. Well, after about maybe a year or two of doing that, I noticed that more fine lines were starting to appear. And I'm like, I know I'm getting older, but I'm not that old. Like, where are they coming from? Why are they showing up? Well, I stopped using my eye cream. The moment I started implementing it back into my daily skincare routine, I noticed a difference in my under eye area. And I noticed that it looked more hydrated, it looked more smooth. Yeah, there's still fine lines there. I'm going to be 42 in a few days on March 6th. So, there's nothing I can do about that. There's really not much by way of like fillers and stuff that you can do for your under eye area. That's the place that's going to show your age first, your eyes. So, I got back on the eye cream. I haven't got off it since, and I can see results. And it doesn't matter which eye cream you use, just use an eye cream that is really hydrating. Maybe you want to use a gel for the daytime and a rich moisturizing hydrating one for the for the evening. Do it that way, but just don't skip that step. It is a very important step. This is such a delicate area, the most delicate area on our face. And trust me, using an eye cream can make a complete difference in how your under eyes age. All right, guys, so that wraps up everything that I got in my FabFitFun box for spring 2024. Thank you so much, FabFitFun, for allowing me to be part of your ambassador program and for giving all of you a couple codes that you can use to save some money off of your next FabFitFun box. Again, my affiliate code Steff will save you 20% off your first seasonal box. I'll have all of the information in the description box. And then if you want to sign up for a year long, which means you're going to get 4 boxes, my code Steff Gift will also give you, I think, a free gift with that purchase or a discount, something or other. But everything will be in the description box. Let me know what you thought about the products that I chose. You do get to customize your boxes. And I'm glad that they reached out. I'm glad that they sent me this box and I was able to choose the products. I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of them. Remember that you can choose from fashion items, home items, makeup, skincare, hair care, you name it. There's so much going on over there, and I'm really glad to be back with FabFitFun. Let me know what you think. Are you a member of the subscription box? Have I inspired you to become a member? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink your water, cheers, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.